Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. So happy you're here. I'm Laura. This white puppy dog moving around is Wyatt. This is Xena. We hope you stick around, hit that subscribe. We do subscription unboxings, shopping hauls, as well as outfit of the days, and so much more. So please do stick around. For today, I have for you an Earthlove box. This is new to my channel. Super excited to share this with you. This is a seasonal subscription, $59.95 a season. So this box is filled with sustainable essentials and self-care products. As I said, it does come to you on a seasonal basis. All of the products are ethically sourced and environmentally conscious. The brands come from US and Canada, as well as eco initiatives around the world. All right, this is an Earth First lifestyle curation. So we are going to dig right in and check this box out. I am so excited. My box got a little beat up here in shipping, but it looks like it made it safe and sound. So let's just do it. All right, so you usually get 8 to 10 curated, hand-selected items. This is the summer box, I believe. They're already curating for the fall box. However, the summer box is still available. Here's what I see as soon as I open it up. My box. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. So you can already see the very first item here. What just fell out is a little book. It says Wild and Free, Creating Good Eco Habits, Conserving Salmon, 5-0 Waste Kitchen Swaps, Earthlove. This is the summer issue. It tells you here at the top. Loving these bracelets here. So this should tell me all about the products inside my box. Now there is right inside here, it tells you all about the founder. Her name is Serena. Here's a picture of her. Her name is Dr. Serena Patterson. She's the founder of Earthlove. And I'm just going to read you the very beginning here. It says, we all have the power to reshape the future of our beautiful planet. Everything we do, every decision reflects our thoughts and values. It shows that we care, and the earth very much needs us to care. Doing what's right isn't always easy or fast, but we can always take small steps for the better. It's never too late to make a change. It goes on here, but it talks about, and I'm skipping some here, but it says our summer 2021 box features companies that are working hard to show that there's a better way from sustainable fashion made using upcycled ceras to creating products that do not harm the oceans. I hope that this box inspires curiosity and joy on your own path to live mindfully with the earth. Happy summer, Earth lovers. All right, let's dig right in. First up, and this was a selection that I got to make. You got a choice, I think, between 3 different items. I chose the book. This is called Our Wild Calling, How Connecting with Animals Can Transform Our Lives and Save Theirs, by Richard Louv, author of the international bestseller, it says, Last Child in the Woods. This is a full book. I think this is should be a great read, and you can even see right inside here the value of this book is $27.95. I'm wondering if it talks here about, yeah, so there was 3 different, must have been 3 different books you could choose from. It says each season, Earthlove boxes include 1 of 3 books. Here are awesome picks for spring. So there was this one about Our Wild Calling, there was a vegan style book, and there was Buddha Recycle. So there was a choice of 3 books. All right, next up, what have I got here? I have Tazon Organic Herbal Cold Infused Caffeine Free Ginger and Jaggery, it says. A divine drink to awaken your spirit. It says drop a Tazon bag in 500 milliliter of cold water, shake it well, and leave in for 5 minutes, and then enjoy your wellness drink. I love this. So I can open this up and show you and see if it tells me what about it. Hello, Xena. You know this is food, huh? So it is cold infused organic herbal. And it tells you on the back of each bag, too, what to do. I love that. I wonder if it tells me anything more. Yeah, it says the infusion of Ayurveda herbs is delicately crafted with this cooling purities of tulsa, warm zing of ginger, and natural sweetness of jaggery, unrefined sugar, to create an exclusive aromatic flavor combination that keeps you uplifted, rejuvenated, and hydrated throughout the day. Drop a bag into water, shake, and enjoy. Okay, so that sounds like a great drink. I guess maybe it's not tea. Tazon. Tulsi, so the ingredients are tulsi, which is holly basil, ginger, jaggery, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, and mace. So no, I guess not. I can't wait to try that. Okay. More, there's lots more here. What else have I got? Next up is avocado and algae face mask, and it even comes with a little spoon to put it on. How cute is that? It says, keep your face glowing. This is a $22 value. The value of the drink was $8. It says, keep your face glowing and hydrated with this organic, all-natural avocado and algae face mask, handmade by Monica, founder of Plant-Based Beauty. Instantly notice soft and clean skin. From the nourishing superfoods of avocado, spirulina, and moringa that give you the skin vitamins it needs. Directions: you best used on damp skin, directly after showering or cleansing. Place 1 to 2 scoops into palm and mix with equal amounts of water to create a paste, and then you apply for 5 minutes and rinse. I'm having a hard time getting it out of this little thing right now because I think there's a knot, but basically I think we've covered it. A skin superfood detox, it says. All right, we're going to keep going. Next I have Stream to Sea Eco-Conscious Biodegradable Sun and Sting Relief Gel, pure antioxidant protection. This is the $13 value. Soothe your skin following sun exposure, insect bites, or underwater stings. Love, right? So this is made with a potent antioxidant blend of green tea, tulsi, wakame, and olive leaf. This gel is free of nasties like phthalates, dyes, cinnamates, or benzophenanes. Stream to Sea is the only company in the world that is tested and proven safe for bait fish, freshwater fish, saltwater fish, and coral larvae, and their sunscreen and sun care products do not affect the natural behavior. Packaged in a biodegradable sugarcane tube, Stream to Sea is also among the few to receive the Protect Land and Sea certification. That's quite a feat. All right, I love this. Not to mention, this is awesome for traveling, so I'm keeping this in my bag for my last and final trip I have planned, which is with Linda coming up in a few weeks. All right, next, what do I have here? This is Waves Utensil Set Pouch. So this is a cutlery set. The value is, did I tell you that? Yeah, I did tell you that was $13. Okay, so this value is $15. What it says here, there's a little card in here. This is cute. So it tells you the different versions of the totes that you could get from this brand. This comes, it's Waves of Change. Comes in this cute little, I love this, tote. And it says the ocean-inspired 3-piece cutlery set is the perfect companion for picnics, outdoor lunches, camping, travel, or trips to the beach. Made with recycled plastic bottles, this set helps divert plastic waste from landfills and eliminates the need for plastic utensils while on the go. Care instructions: hand wash the bamboo utensils with warm soapy water, avoid soaking for long periods of time, machine wash the pouch in cold water, and delicate cycle. Cool. Everything is hand wash. Check those out. I love that. This box, it says the average box value this season is $230. This is cute. All right, we're going to keep going. Next up is a storage bag by Net Zero. Check that out. It has a little turtle up here in the corner. Love this. Say goodbye to plastic bags. Net Zero Company's 4-piece food-grade silicone storage bag set includes 3 different sizes, small, medium, large, so they can cover all your storage needs. Whether, oh, this is a set, so I have more of them. Yeah. So here's I picked out the small one. Again, here's the medium. And we're getting to the large. Here we go. And here's another one. Small, medium, and large. So I must have, do I have 2 mediums here? Looks like it, right? Yep, I have 2 mediums. Check that out. I have 4 of them. And they can cover all your storage needs, whether they're taking a snack on a hike or freezing fresh summer berries. They're cold and heat resistant with an airtight seal, keeping fruits and veggies crunchy and leftovers fresh for days. Simply slide the seal across the top to lock the contents inside. Also keep track of lunches or leftovers with writable surface. Dishwasher and microwave safe. That is awesome. You can write on these. Love this. So let's see. You just, how do I open them? I think you just slide this. There we go. All right, so you just, there's a little arrow on here that tells you which way to slide everything. So you just slide this off, open up your pouch, lots of room. It even has like a little opener, make it even wider at the bottom. And then this little tab goes in. And I guess you just slide this back on. Oh yeah, it just slides back on quite easily then. All right, I like this. I love it actually. All right, and there's more stuff. This looks like a wearable. I love it. This is my last item. Look how pretty this is. I didn't even open it up yet. This looks gorgeous. And this is the upcycled sari kimono by Guru, $110 value. Who says sustainable fashion has to be boring? These airy and stylish upcycled sari kimonos are perfect for a trip to the beach or relaxing on a relaxing in the summer sun. Each one is uniquely hand designed by Canadian Guru founder Catherine Bowes and handcrafted from upcycled fair trade Rexula ceras, most made from bamboo, viscose, or art silk, artificial silk. They have been collected by bartering with Indian villages. Note, since the saris have history, they may also have minor imperfections that are camouflaged in the beauty of the design. Designs are one of a kind and will vary. All right, so first of all, look how pretty this is. And I will try it on for you, of course. So there's all different color and pattern. Check out the back with the little gold through there. There's all the pink. Look how pretty. It has the little slits. All right, so it has a belt. There's so much going on here. And of course, I have a coupon code for you. So if you use my discount code, which is littleboxohappy10, you will get 10% off your first subscription. Check this out. There is a belt, which we can use here. Okay, so here's what this looks like. I'm tying it so you can even see the belt. So you could tie it or leave it open, I think. You don't have to use the belt. But how pretty is this? It does have the pocket here on the side. All these different patterns in it. Feels amazing on. Of course, it's probably overkill to add it to my already patterned dress, but I wanted to show it to you so you can see what it looks like. Has the little slit here on the sides. Gorgeous, right? Okay, so that is all of my items. What did you think? I loved it. I love that it's all about protecting the planet, being eco-friendly, protecting wildlife. That's what Serena and this box is all about. This book is filled with lots of other information about Earthlove. There's exclusive member deals that they talk about inside this box, creating good eco habits, all about conserving salmon, which was what the money from this box goes towards. About the founder for the plant-based beauty. So this is about Monica that we talked about a little bit ago, and so much more. So just like it says that this season, every Earthlove box supports something each season. It says this season every Earthlove box supports the Earth West Coalition for Alternatives to Pesticides and their effort to protect salmon waterways. So there is a cause for each box, and that's the meaning behind this subscription. So by getting this subscription, you are supporting a cause each and every month that leads back to supporting the planet. All right, thanks so much for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed this. I will put all the information for Earthlove down below, as well as my discount code, so you can get 10% off your first box if you choose to give the subscription a try. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Would love to hear from long haul. Hit that subscribe. And until next time, bye everybody.